Hey everyone, are you looking to show your appreciation for your favorite Clash Royale content creators? With the creator code feature, you can support them directly while making in-game purchases. Now let me guide you through this easy process and share why it is such a great way to give back to the community. So first, you will need the creator code of the person you want to support. So these codes are usually shared on their YouTube channels, Twitch streams, or social media platforms. For example, popular creators like Clash with Ash or OJ Gaming regularly share their codes with followers. Now open Clash Royale and tap on the shop tab located at the bottom of your screen. So this will take you to the game's in-app store, where you can buy chests, gems, and other items. At the top of the shop page, look for the Support a Creator button. Now tap on it, and you will see a field where you can enter the creator's code. Type it in carefully and hit confirm. Now once done, all your in-game purchases will contribute to supporting the creator. After entering the code, a confirmation message will appear, letting you know that your purchases will now benefit the creator. You can also see the active creator code displayed in the shop section at any time. Now, supporting a creator is completely free for you, but it helps them immensely. A percentage of your purchases goes directly to the creator, allowing them to continue making content, tutorials, and strategies that benefits the community. And that is how you support a creator in Clash Royale. It is a small step that makes a big difference for the content creators you love. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.